All right, I'm your Wood-Mizer tech that's going to show you the auto clutch sensors. Right now the auto clutch is in a disengaged position. You see the shape position of the cam right there now. I flip it to engage and you can see how it rotates around and comes next to the other sensor, the little black box. And we're going to disengage and we're going to separate the wire off of that sensor that's going to that little circuit board up there called a MOSFET module. And we're going to do a little measurement of voltage showing you before and after. I flip the toggle switch up. You can see 12 volts. I flip it down, it goes off. I'll flip it back up, and now we're going to put a piece of metal in front of that sensor, and you'll see how the sensor shuts off the power going to the circuit board that runs your auto clutch. So if your sensor does not have power coming through it like it is here now, then you should replace it.